Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to.
Welcome back, my nail bees. Thank you, Madam Glam. I absolutely love these colors. This is their new June collection, and I got to pick 4 colors out of them. And they also sent me 2 non-white top coats and a base coat. So we're going to jump right into the swatches. I want to get into these colors. I have a burnt orange, a green, a yellow, and a purple. I absolutely love these colors. Wait till y'all see these swatches, y'all. These are some really pretty colors. So as we're getting into these swatches, I just really want to point out the fact that you can do these swatches with one coat. Like, you don't really need a lot of coats with Madam Glam. I love how thick their polish is. Even though they're very pigmented, it still self-levels in a way that you don't have to go back and keep trying to swatch it into place. Once you pretty much get the coverage on there that you're okay with, it'll kind of like self-level itself out. And I absolutely love that. To me, their gel colors are really good for like multi-use. So like just painting nails, or like if you want to paint nail art. I use a lot of their gels for like nail art. I do love like the consistency it has to where you can do like nail art with it. What blows my mind about this yellow is that it's a bright yellow, but it's still a soft tone. So like you can use it with other colors without it being so bold, but it's still being like that perfect yellow, if you know what I mean. These are my 4 colors that I picked out. I cannot wait to see what you guys pick out in the art that you guys make. Do not forget to use my code BLESS50. This month you do get 50% off the website. Happy Pride and enjoy the rest of your week.